I found on Steam. I would call this another random game, but I think I can make a series on it. It really depends how hard the game is to play. I don't remember playing this game. Let's start a new file, I'm not quite sure what that's all about. Let's do this. Alrighty. What the? Graphics are kinda good. Oh! Alright. A fishing rod. Oh! I did not know E was that. Alright, what's this? I'm playing on laptop. What's this on computer? Oh, F. Alright. Training grounds. Let's go. One of these. Coins aren't merely beautiful, alright, they're relics. Yeah, I'm gonna pick them up. Alright. Whee! Oh! Hey! Alright. Oh? What's this? Yep. Oh? Once cast item to be released on hook release. Oh, alright. Alright, no, I've already read you. No, stop. Alright. Oh, that's beautiful. Alright, so lock on, which I'm guessing is that, and oh, I got it. Oh, what the? Oh, yay! Oh, I got it. I'm keeping this thing. Yeah. Aw. Okay, so what are these? Oh? Hey! They're like healing? Alright. Let's go up here. Wake up. It sounds like an AI. What is this? Animations seem clean though. This is a good ass free game. Oh, I could spin. Alright, come on, Dan. I'm about to beat you up here. There's a jump! Oh! Just made it. Alright, small fry, let's keep this reef ouching veg. You know the drill? If you can't hook a fish, then you're not ready to field, alright? Alright, I need to hit some here. Right. Alright, do I need anything here? No. Fish! Alright, hold on. Really? Alright. That's all I gotta do. I'm gonna beat the crap out of the fish. No, don't run. Why can I not? Get me out of the water, I can't. What? Is that not how the game's meant to play? I'm meant to beat the crap out of it. Come on! Come over here! Come over here and give me a hug. Come on, boy. It's not making me get him. What? What button? Those are not the buttons I meant to click, what? Those are not the buttons I was meant to click. That might be a mistake. Well, damn. I actually can't figure out how to get this guy. Hold on. Is this what I'm meant to read? Life of pay $1, such a rare. Fish can't be hooked. Well, unfortunately, bait. So am I just dumb? Where's the bait? Is this bait? That's not bait. Can I hit it? I can hit it. I'm gonna run now. I just gave a good old slap in the face. Let's go. What's this? Oh. Break these. Oh. Oh. Okay, where's this bait? Is it over here? It is. Alright. I got this fish. Wait, there's a... Oh no, I need to read more. Oh, I don't have to read at all, because I'm not quite sure what that's saying. No, no, I didn't. God damn it. Alright, reel this in. Throw it in. Ah! Got your booty. What the fuck? Huh? No, 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 you're mine, you're mine, you're mine. Get it. Come over here. Be out. Alright, I got it. Damn, that was a really good animation. Let's go. Let's go. Alright, let's see. Ah, good work. I only struggled for about a minute there. Ah! I suppose I was skipping the dialogue. Just like in today we've been working on your front. Okay. Nice try. What? Oh, what the? Okay, so I can't hit. I can't hit. What's it say? You must become second in nature. What? Oh! As long as wall with speed into it. Oh! Alright, so if I were to... Oh! Alright. Is there any running mechanic, or am I just running all the time? Oh. No, I'm just running all the time, alright. That... How do I make more momentum? Can I talk to this one without getting signed? What? Tackle up the cliff. Ah! Alright. I'm gonna tackle up the cliff. Wait. Can I hit this? Hey! Hey! Alright. So... That's funny, I can't do this. Alright. This might just have to be a random game. But I like how this game looks. Man, I'm gonna have to cut so much of this crap. Where'd I go from here? Where'd I go from here? What? Hey, look, I'm up the cliff. There, oh, wait a second. Oh. Oh, finally! Oh my god. Oh! Alright. Oh, you're kidding me! You are kidding me! I was struggling all this time to do that. Oh my god! Oh my god!
Denis Parestinolas, Trompinolas. Sinkelos.
Warm up!
Denis Parestrom de Dor. Creo, Revet. Y al repos no al Parestrom creo, de que aparece, que a los sin, al.
Look at that, we win! Oh god damn! Oh wait, what? Oh! Now I come over here. Oh my god! It's a goddamn... Oh! 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 This is sick! Oh my god! Hold on, I think I know where I'm meant to go. Oh my god, this is awesome. There. This is so cool, man. Oh. Oh, no. Oh, alright, let's go here. Boom. Ah! What is that? I got one! Yes! Come in my hat, boy! Alright. So it's like Mario Odyssey or something? What is this? You guys want me to keep playing this game? I can. What is this? Can't do anything here right now. What's that? Oh no! Cacti kind of murdered though. Oh! Get me out of here! Oh! Oh! Jesus! Let's go back, I think. Maybe not! Oh, these animations are actually really cool. If you do not know how I play games, I suck at games.
Trump, Rede parece que ha muerto. Alrededor y alrededor. Y no las. Alrededor.
So the entire game is just fishing, but... I don't know how it's weird, but this kind of goddamn gameplay is sick. There's no way it's not a controller. It has to be. It has to be at least one. Look at this place. What is this? What? Tell me about it. You do not need to know for now. There's a fish! With legs! It has legs! Give me your ass, boy! Whoa! Hell yeah. Beautiful. That's be something. Guard, guard. Guard. I got perfect that time because how long it's gonna go for. Oh my god. Even I had to like, God, I was gonna die. God damn. Let's take a look here. What the? Let's take a look. Oh, no. Where'd I go with this one? What? There, maybe? Oh, crap. Swing like your life depends on it. It does. Come on, get enough momentum. We're gonna go. Oh, I meant to hold force, not die. Alright, beautiful. Oh my god. Ow, what? Where do I go? Ooh, interesting. Oh, there's no way I'm reaching that. One over there. Let's go, boy. What? Oh no! Oh no! Oh, what the hell? What's on here? Ooh. Relics, alright. Can I drown to death in this game, or is this irrelevant? This place is moving. I don't think rocks are meant to be doing that. Oh damn, so that's just like an actual guy. Like an actual, like a villain. Oh, actual enemy. Actual enemy, I've never seen one so far, so interesting to see. Someone's got up there. How? I see how. No. No, I don't. Yeah, I do. Give me all these, boy. Don't whack that, no. Want to whack it. Give it a good old whack. Boom. So, I can't do anything else. So this seems to be a free roam game, which is free, which is quite interesting. I really like the character model, it looks really good. So Crow with the hair. So yeah. Not quite sure. Game seems pretty solid. If you see this video, it's because I somehow thought it was a great idea to upload it. Anyways, like, sub, do whatever the fuck you want.